Hello guys, welcome back to another live trading recap video. I should have posted this one about a week ago, so I can't quite remember the exact trades that I took. So I'm just gonna kind of scroll through here to see if I can find the trades. Let's see, okay, so there's the first one right there, right out of the gates. Looks like I'm in INPX, getting in for the break of the $0.50. So I'm in right there. Look at that. Pops up to 85 on the ask. But it only holds that level for like a second, unfortunately. So we're back down here now, a little bit below my entry, sort of just like straddling between 40 and 50 right here on the ask. So I'm being patient right here. Now we're back over up to 64. That would have been a good place to sell right there, but I'm thinking, this might have more potential. Now you can see what's happening down here now. I keep getting these send rejected messages. Look at that, send reject. I'm getting this error message that says no cross trading. I don't know exactly what that means. But at this point, I begin panicking. It's never a good feeling to be in a trade and you can't get out of the trade, because the last thing that you want it to happen is for the stock to completely reverse, right, and go back to 350 down here where it started out at. So it's definitely a scary feeling. I'm sort of panicking, not noticing that this is actually a really good 1 minute pullback, right? And if I were just to hold, I could try to sell once we squeeze and break that 1 minute pullback and possibly break through high of day. Now, of course, I'm also thinking there's the possibility that even if it does that, I still won't be able to sell. And so I'm trying to figure that problem out, trying to find different ways to sell. Maybe if I press the physical sell button instead of the hotkey, it would work. I don't know. I just need to get out of this position. I'm freaking out, okay? So you can see right there all the orders that finally get filled at 454, which is unfortunate because this is all the way up at 490 right now. Look at that, 490 on the ask. $5. We're up to, oh my gosh, that's so frustrating. Look at that, 512 on the ask. So that was really unfortunate that I got filled at 454 and we're up here at $5. That would have been a really nice win, even with 500 shares. So unfortunate, but it kind of comes with the territory, especially with technology, with software. It's just sometimes it doesn't function properly, and it's the cards that you're dealt, and you just have to deal with them. So never really did figure out what that meant. No cross trade, but it hasn't happened since, so I'm not really too worried about it. But for some reason my P&L hasn't updated right here, but I made about, let's see, 4 cents on that. So nothing serious, maybe like $20. Anyways, my last trade on the day was, again, on INPX. So I'm going to scroll over here. So now you may be thinking, here's the thing, okay? So I'm looking at this, and we get this initial squeeze right here, right? Looks good. Lots of opportunity right here to profit on. But then we sort of fade off below the VWAP, and I'm thinking, okay, this stock is done for. Like, we're already in a market where stocks squeeze up and can't hold those levels. And so the fact that this is fading the way it is below the VWAP, we're done. And then it almost makes its way back up, and it does. It makes its way back up through the VWAP, and then we have this period of consolidation. But the fact that it's holding this level is really good. So for some reason, at this particular point, traders decide to buy. And so we get this really quick squeeze, which is going to go into a circuit breaker halt. But at this point, SureTrader has restricted the stock 1-to-1. And so I can't take my normal position size. And so you may be thinking, wait, really? Are you really about to get into this stock with 200 shares? Nope, can't do it. Wait, 100 shares? Yeah, I got in with 100 shares. And the reason being is because it's just this is the only stock that was really active today, and I just wanted some action, and I believed that this had the potential to, even if it's a really small gain after commissions, I believed that it had the potential to still be a small win, and so typically stocks that are halted going up open higher and make a squeeze up as well. And so let's see what happens here. And so we get that squeeze. So halted at 9:53.51. So we should be resuming here in just a couple of seconds, right about now. So my average is 488 and I'm selling at 519. So not bad. That was about $30 right there on just 100 shares. Now, of course, back of my mind, I'm thinking, man, if only I had my normal share size, that would have been a much better win. But it's okay. It's okay. I was still able to take advantage of the situation, right? Being restricted by SureTrader, I was still able to make a profit. So that's perfectly fine. But that was the last trade for today. After this, I was done for the day. I watched a little bit longer, but nothing else was really moving, so I was done for the day. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this live trading recap video up. I hope that was helpful for you guys, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. If we see some good opportunities that I can trade on, then I'll be back. You can see this right here being halted on the way down. So for short sellers, this is great, right? But if you're stuck in this on the long side, never good. Never ever good. All right, guys, so that's it for me. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I will see you back hopefully tomorrow. All right, take care, guys. Bye.